Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into how to use Monday.com for your editorial calendars. This is your complete guide for 2025. First things first, you'll want to create a new board. Head over to the left sidebar and click on the New button. Then, select Board. This is where you will be keeping track of all your editorial content. This is important because it helps you keep all your content organized in one place. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up your columns. In Monday.com, columns represent different aspects of your tasks. You might have a column for task name, due date, writer, and status. The reason we do this is to ensure that every detail of a task is captured and nothing falls through the cracks. Next up, we're going to populate your board. Click on each cell in the task name column and type in your content topics. Then, assign due dates and writers and set the status to Not Started. This helps us because it gives a clear overview of what content is coming up, who is working on it, and when it should be ready. Now, let me explain why this matters. By having all your upcoming content laid out in one place, you can easily see if there are any gaps that need to be filled or if any topics are being neglected. It also aids in ensuring that all tasks are completed on time. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you add more content to your board and update the status of tasks, you're creating a dynamic editorial calendar that can easily be adjusted as needed. This is the beauty of Monday.com. It's flexible and easily customizable to suit your specific needs. Last but not least, don't forget to use the timeline view. This will convert your board into a Gantt chart, showing you a visual timeline of your content. This is useful for spotting any potential scheduling conflicts or periods of high workload. And that's it. You now know how to use Monday.com for your editorial calendars. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your content planning and production. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.